When you say political, what was his? He was involved in the unions, but
He was very involved in the union. He was a leftist. Very early on, he was a communist. He broke with them at the time of the Hitler-Stalin Pact, and but I think my experience with him was that he was that he continued to a certain degree, not with communism itself, but with a sense of the rights of the people, caring for the people, the importance of looking out for your fellow man, of putting yourself on the line, whether it was the picket line, the union line. He was an organizer before he was a manager at the ILGWU. And I mean, I'm sure had his selfish bits, as we all do, but my primary remembrance of both him and my mother are that to a larger degree, I think, than many people, that their identity came from caring about others and trying to work for the benefit of others. And again, I don't mean to make them sound saintly, they were also human, but it was a very much pronounced characteristic in my life with them and what I knew of him from other people.